Namaste. In this video I will be talking about who is going to be Raptured in the coming month or so. I don't know, it's sometime this spring that it's going to happen. Who and who or not. And I mean, it's pretty simple. So with who the people who are going to be raptured are definitely people who have a very religious faith and are really peaceful people in general. But we also have kids who will definitely be going. People who are ignorant will be going along for the rapture. Mentally impaired or disabled people will also be going. And that's kind of who will definitely be going. So if you fall into any of those categories, you will be raptured. You won't be left behind on this earth and bogged down with all these negative energies. Then new earth is going to be amazing. And then those who will not go are people who adamantly deny any sort of higher creation or even their soul. So people who deny who deny religion, like deny there's some sort of higher power, will not be making the transition. They will stay here and experience what is left of the earth before it's refurbished and renewed, so that at some future date, probably 100,000 years, if not more, into the future, that it can be reused and for like a new species or something. Another big thing is, so we're at my place, we're starting to put out like, even though I'm not religious in the sense that my parents are, but we put out a manger scene at the end of our driveway, and it's gonna be light up at night. And we wanna, in a sense, unite people. But this is also a Passover thing. My mom had a vision about just driving to work in the early morning when it was still night out. A song came on that she cannot get through without crying, and the lights on all the cars, all the stop sign, traffic signals, and so forth, for sending their very variant different colors of light beams into the heavens. And she had the idea to put out something religious, to be like a beacon to help everyone know that we are not alone, that they are not alone, that we are together in this possible closure of the entire United States. I mean, keep an eye on the news, but I think the closer we get to the rapture, the more likely we are to be like locked down, so we are with our family and in our own houses when this happens. So, I mean, the lockdown is not going to be because of the CV. You know what that is, the virus that's going on. It's going to be mainly because of the Rapture. So, like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and hit the notification bell. Share this, definitely share it. Definitely put some religious, like, beacon out at night, or if you're in an apartment, in your window. Make sure people can see it. Make sure they know that we as a whole are united and we're not divided. And that's it. Goodbye.